been more content in my life. And I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me very well because I'm currently parked in a random town in southern Portugal, right on the coast. Like literally the ocean is right there. And we're doing van life for about a week, which I'm so excited about. This is something that I've always wanted to do because I grew up with RVs. We've had an RV for my whole entire life, and every summer we'd usually go out for like a month and go travel the US, and then we were always taking weekend trips just in Florida. But camping and RVing has really just been a big part of my life, and so I always knew that I wanted to keep it a part of my life as I got older. I think I've always just enjoyed camping because it's always made me have to appreciate the more simple things. Like usually when I'm camping, all I want to do is just sit out in nature, sit in a lawn chair, maybe read a book, journal a little bit, just enjoy being outside and slowing down a bit, because I feel like my life normally is so go. I'm trying to do a million things and I don't ever let myself relax, and this is a way that's gonna like force me to relax. This is our current view at the moment, which feels made up. Like I'm just parked here right now, and that is what is out my back window. Definitely gonna be one of those weeks where I think, what am I doing in life? Like this is crazy. I am in Portugal in a van just exploring the coast in these like super small towns. That is so messy right now, but she looks so cute. This is the realities of us procrastinating making dinner because we don't want to make a mess in the van that we have to clean up. So we've waited like an hour and a half.
We want to make dinner and I'm like, but that sounds like so many pans.
You
Never love me, Mom. Make dinner with me.
Make dinner with us in the van.
In the van. We're bored in the van and in the van bored.
Bored in the van, we're in the van bored.
There's a big maneuver here that needs to be done in order to make dinner. And I'm gonna show you. So first we have to clear all our work materials off of the desk, which is very important because surface area is really valued in this situation.
Limited.
Here you see where we are boiling water.
We don't have any measuring cups, so we're just winging it. We're eyeballing how much stuff we need.
And then we keep our dirty dishes right where we lay our head at night.
Right. We actually have a cutting board right on our pillow.
So if you misbehave, we just slaughter you on the bed. Go ahead and cook your quinoa. The veggies are ready to be cooked. And over here we have wine, carrots, hummus, sour gummies.
And then if you really need it, we have incense.
Yes, because we want to keep our energies.
And this lid doesn't fit, but we make it work.
And you know, that's a really big part of the van life. It's a lot of things don't fit, but you make it work. See? Look at that. It didn't fit, and I made it work.
That is horrible. I think it's done.
Look at that beautiful dinner.
Yeah.
Cooked right in the beautiful kitchen.
Right next to our bed.
Right next to the bed. It's perfect. Good job, Bailey.
Yay. Okay, we need a plate.
Hey! Wait, I need this fork.
on the beach and it's raining. It's raining on us.
Yay for it. Isn't it funny?
Crisis averted in the van. Thank you, Dad.
Thank you. Water is fine. And now look at this beautiful sunset. Yay! Welcome to our crib.
Welcome to the van.
The van. It's causing us
a little messy right now.
Messy.
And you know, she's been a learning curve, but we do love her. We never named her.
Oh my God, we need to name her. It can't be right now because it's gonna have to come naturally.
We'll keep you guys updated on the name.
We'll know the name when it comes.
Look at the lighthouse is going now.
Wow.
This is one of the prettiest beaches we've ever been to. We've come to that conclusion.
It is the prettiest beach I've ever seen in my life.
I mean,
we're gonna try to show you. It does nothing.
You do it justice. But those cliffs are so tall.
Toe dance. Put your right foot in. Put your right foot out.
That's my left foot.
Put it in and you shake it off.
Chilly today. Actually, it's been kind of chilly this whole week, but kind of in a good way.
Yeah, look at this.
But we also took, oh my God. We took working from home. Working.
Yeah. I don't think my boss had in mind when he said I could work.
Of two girls working out of a van. Thoughts from the van.
I love you, and I never want to leave you. Goodbye.